Hi guys, welcome to indices channel. So today's video we are going to be looking at this bull market strategy. This strategy, I can say, is one of the best bull market strategy, which is very simple and is very effective strategy you can use to trade bull market crazily. Without further ado, let's quickly jump into the strategy. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to do me a favor by what? Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also turn on post notification when I post strategy. You guys be aware. Also, guys, let's quickly drive with the strategy without wasting most of our time. So this is the strategy. So we are going to be looking at this strategy. Let me first delete everything up, so we'll be adding it one after the other. So you can see you have a clear chart now. You can see this is a clear chart. So now the first thing you are going to do is you're going to this top side right there, go there, and then we are going to be adding our first indicator, which is the moving average. Now the first moving average we are going to be adding this parameter, but this parameter period order shift 0 apply to what? Apply to open. So apply to open, and you can choose style of your choice. You can choose color of your choice. After you set everything up like this, then click on done. Then we have your what? We have your moving average. Now the second indicator we are going to be adding is also our moving average. So this moving average is going to be a period ordered as well, shift 0. Method is exponential as well. Now it's going to be applied to what? Apply to low, and then the style. So choose red. You can choose color of your choice. So you set everything up like this. Just what? Just click on done. Then you have your what? Then you have your indicator. Then you have your indicator setup. Now the last indicator we are going to be adding. Is what? Is our Bollinger Band. Now let's try to find our Bollinger Band, so which is right here. Then we add our Bollinger Band. This is the parameters for the Bollinger Band. Period is 5. Deviation is nothing. So 0 apply to I, and the style. This is the style. This is color I choose. Then when you set everything up like this, then click on done, and you have your indicator setup. Now before I explain to you guys how you can make use of the strategy, I want you guys to know that we offer an account management starting from $10 upward. So if you want to contact us, the number is here right at the top. So contact us right there, and it's a WhatsApp number, so you can contact us there. And you want to join our Telegram channel for free, which is we're dropping a lot of signals, and then you can be making the market as well in our Telegram channel, so you can join for free. So without further ado, the link of the Telegram is in the description below, so you can check it out. So without further ado, let's quickly drive. Let me show you guys now how you can make use of the strategy. Now this is on crash. I'm going to show you guys how you can make use of it to scalp, and the second thing, I'm going to use it to also teach you guys how you can use it to catch spike. Now let me show you guys how you can make use of it to scalp. Now you can see something right here. Now you can choose to zoom level of your choice. Yeah, I don't want to forget that. So you can choose zoom level of your choice. Now once you zoom in, zoom quick, so you can see it a lot more clearly. Now you can see something right here. Quickly see something right here. You can see when the price touching the two moving average, you can see the reaction. Now it's not just touching the moving average, because some markets may touching the moving average and cross over it. So what you need to wait for, if you want to scalp now, let's say you want to take 5 to 10 candles and you're out of the market. Now the first thing you have to wait for the market to come down to the moving average. You have to wait for the price to come down to the moving average. Now once the price comes down to the moving average, sorry, my network is somehow flop, so I don't. Okay, let's use this here so without wasting much of our time. Now, the first thing you have to wait for the price to come down to the moving average. Now, once the price changes the moving average, you also have to wait for the Bollinger Band also to come down to the moving average. You can see same thing. The price is at the moving average. The price at the moving average, you can see it right here. The price at the moving average and the Bollinger Band as well is at the moving average. So that is the mission you need to see before you say that you want to scalp in the market. You want to take 5 to 10 candles and you are out. Now, let me show you guys another example. And also without and also before I move further, you also have to see the market, that the market is what is trending to the upside, which means that the market is above the moving average, not below it. You can see market at below the moving average. You can see market below the moving average. Now you have to be seeing the market that it's above the moving average. You can see right here. The price is above the moving average. And or if this happen, you can take 5 to 10 candles and you are out. You have to see the market above the moving average. That is guys. That is how you can make strategy to scalp. Now let me tell you guys how you can make strategy to catch spike as well. So before you can be able to catch spike with this strategy, you have to see the market below the moving average. You have to see the market, the price. The market below the moving average. Now once you see that, then you wait for the price to move close to the moving average, or exactly to the moving average, and you have to wait for the Bollinger Band aspect reaching the moving average for your confirmation before you can say that you want to sell. Before you can state that you want to sell, you can see it right here. You can see what's happening right here. So before you say that you want to sell, you have to catch spike. You have to see the market price was reaching the moving average, and also the Bollinger Band reaching the moving average, and also the market is at the down side of the moving average. That's how you can mix up the strategy to catch spike as well. That's how you can mix up the strategy to catch spike. Now, I'm sure you guys understand about this. You guys have to understand about this. I'm going to do a quick recap when I'm done with the explanation. So let me show you guys how you can make some strategy on boom index. So it's going to be the opposite side. It's going to be the opposite side now, which means now let's say you want to scalp in the market. Now you have to see the market. You have to see the price below the moving average. You have to see the price below the moving average. Now, you see the price below the moving average, then that is when you are going to decide that you want to scalp in the market. Now, the first thing you have to know that you have to see your moving average. You have to see your moving average. You have to see your moving average. You have to see your moving average below, which means the price is going to be below the moving average. So now, let's say you want to scalp and boom. Now, the first thing you have to wait for the price to come to the moving average. Now, once the price comes to the moving average, you have to also see your Bollinger Band coming to the moving average as well. That's when you are going to that is when you are going to you're going to say that you want to take 5 to 10 candles, and then you are out. I want to see a clear one, so you guys can see it a lot more better. So you guys can see it a lot more better. I want to see a clear picture, clear one. You can see it's slightly moving above the moving average before it starts trending to the downside. Now, this is what you are going to do. If you see something like this, you have to when you see the spike closing above the moving average, you have to see the price coming down as well to coming below the moving average, which means you have to lose like 5 to 10 candles, which means that the price is moving, the moving average is moving above the price, and you are seeing your Bollinger Band crossing over the market, and what is rate also at reaching the moving average. That is when you are going to yourself that you want to scalp. That's when you are going to tell yourself that you want to scalp. You can see what's happening right here. Now, you can see what's happening right here. That's why I said that you have to let the price move below the moving average before you say that you want to enter for it. You want to enter for a sell. You can see same thing happen right here. Same things happen right here. Same things also happen right here. So you can see that's how you can make some strategy to scalp on boom. Now let me show you guys how you can use to catch spike as well. Let me show you guys how you can use to scalp for spike. Now, if you want to scalp spike with this strategy, the first thing you have to do is you have to see the price moving above the moving average. You have to see the price moving above the moving average. You have to see the price moving above. Or use the price moving above the moving average. Then you have to wait for the price to what to come down to what to the moving average, and also Bollinger Band as well. Also Bollinger Band what? Also Bollinger Band moving what? Moving close to the what to the moving average. That is when you are going to say that you want to what you want to catch spike. That is when you are going to tell yourself that you want to catch spike. But to be a lot on the safer side, you have to see the Bollinger Band reaching the moving average, and also the price is reaching the moving average. That is when you are going to what? That is when you are going to say that you want to what? You want to catch spike with the strategy. Now that is how you guys can make this strategy. Make sure you what? Make sure you back test it. Figure out figure out how the strategy is working for you. You know, we have a different method, but if you can make some strategy as I explained to you, and you back test it, you figure things out on the strategy, what will be surely clean the market with this best bull market strategy. So quick recap: if you want to catch spike, you wait for 3 confirmation. The first one, you have to wait. You have to choose your choose the price. On crash, you have to see the price above the price. If you want to scalp, they let the moving average reaching the moving average, and let the price also reaching the moving average. And if you want to catch spike, you have to see the market below the moving average, and also the price reaching the moving average, and so the moving band reaching the moving average. That's how you can make use of it on crash. Now, if you want to make use of it on bomb, let's say you want to scalp. You have to see the price moving below the moving average, and then you have to see the price coming to what the moving average, and also the Bollinger Band as well. That's also the Bollinger Band as well. Also the Bollinger Band moving also the Bollinger Band moving close to the moving average. That's how you can make some strategy to scalp. And want to move strategy to catch spike, you have to see the market below the moving average, and the Bollinger Band reaching the moving average, and the price as well reaching the moving average. That's how you guys can make the strategy. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to do me a favor by subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also turn on post notification. Then I'm posting strategy, you guys should be aware. As you can see now that I've already doubled $5,800 account. I've already doubled it with this simple cash strategy. You can see this strategy is very effective strategy. And don't forget that we are running account management. So if you want to manage account from $10 upward, you can manage this for you, and also join our Telegram channel for a free signal. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.